How's it going, everyone? I am John Oates, and I will be walking you through our Sidecar Enamel Pin Mock-up. So, first things first, I'm just going to run through the sort of file structure that we have. We have our pins here, which we'll dive into in a second. But we also have a lot of great backgrounds for you guys. We have fabrics and people. Fabrics, we have our little backpack here, even some jean material, really all types of fabric to hopefully adapt to whatever artwork or colors that you have going on. And then people, if you're wanting to give it a more real life scenario, we have some more jean material, t-shirt, we even have a jean jacket and a leather jacket here, feeling super cool. So tons of stuff for you guys to use and place your stuff on. And then we have our pins here. So that's really what we want to look at today. So I'll break down these for you real quick. These are really just for like little quips, funny text that you guys might come up with. So nothing really too complex behind these. Really all it's focused on is the word that would be inside the pin. So I'm going to just go ahead and jump through this real quick. We're going to double click to edit this, to edit our type. And so we can edit the color here. We could change it to, let's say, red. Save, and now we have a red background. And then we can also double click here to change our type. But I'm going to go ahead and just bounce back to the rest of the pins because these are fairly straightforward, and the same goes for this one. The real focus today is these three. So we have our chill pin, our 100 pin, and our rose flower pin here. The chill and 100 pin are really designed for whole complete artwork where the artwork is actually touching. There's no separate piece. If it has a separate piece, you're going to want to use this enamel pin here. So I'm going to go ahead and edit our chill pin. So I'm going to jump through this stuff. Here we have the first portion of the smart object layers. This is the noise layer. This is really just adding that touch of realness. We're going to jump through this one. The bottom one here is giving us that drop of the enamel pin, just to, again, give it a touch more of realism. And then this one is where all of the styling is coming from. And this is the one we want to edit. So we're going to jump into this layer there. I'm going to bounce to some lettering that I did, some pizza lettering. I do love pizza, so hence why I created this. So I'm going to override this artwork here. Go ahead and size it down. Change it to black. And we're going to go ahead and save through the smart objects. So you can see here that it's updated, which is always great. And there we have it. Saved for the pizza pin. Nice, classy pizza. So that's feeling pretty awesome. Then we are going to bounce into our rose layered complex pin here. So I have a little fire emoji that I have crafted. We were messing around with this here in the office, so I figured it was a good fit for a pin. So we're going to go ahead and jump through this one. This one is set up the same way, but it gets a little bit different as we get into the main artwork area. We have some instructions here for you guys. You'll see here we break it down. We even layer out to just give you a visualization. But I'll go ahead and break this one down as well. So we have our example here. You'll see how it's layered, it feels pretty cool. You'll notice that you should probably push these all together because if it was separate, then it's two separate pins. So keep these guys together. That's going to give it and keep it having a realistic look. So let's go ahead and start with our fire emoji. One thing I will do just so I keep myself true to the artwork, I will go ahead and just paste this in here, and this is going to act as my template. So I'm going to go and grab the back layer here, and then I'm going to create a fill, and I'm going to paste my first portion there onto that. So by creating a fill, it actually takes over that first layer, so it automatically will apply the style there. So I am completely lined up with my design there, which is awesome. I'm going to grab the second layer here, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and duplicate this layer there because it's just going to keep the styling. And now you can see that I am placing it per the artwork there, so so I can maintain, you know, what I've created. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this again, and I'm going to drop this down to the bottom there. So boom. And let's go ahead and get our colors right. Just going to copy these colors, and there we have it. There is our fire pin. I'm going to just scale this down a little bit. Seems a little large, but that's feeling pretty awesome. So there, we've seen an update. Oop, gotta save, close, and there we have it. We have our fire emoji of enamel pin. So that's feeling pretty rad. I do actually really like these even together. So let me know what you guys think of this stuff. Let me know. You can hit us up at Sidecar to give us any feedback. So you can hit us up on Twitter, on Sidecar, or you can email us. Thank you guys so much for your purchase, and I hope that you enjoy this mock-up. Thanks, guys.